Welcome, fellas. Welcome to Santana's class. Today we're gonna talk about here another app that helped me save money. Remember, there's a lot more apps out there. I'm letting you know what I'm using, what is working for me. There's a whole bunch of apps out there. I'm showing you specifically what I'm using. And no, this video is not sponsored by anybody or none of that stuff. So yeah, let's get that clear. I'm just showing you what's, sharing information out there. Hopefully it helps all of you out there. So we're gonna talk about isave money. Just like that. The app is called isave money, fellas. Let's get it. So let's go. Let's click on it. It's a little bit blurry. All right, now it's good. So right here, once you signed in, you click on it, you could actually make an account or continue as a guest and all that stuff. All right, so we in. I think it's like a one-time $5 payment, and you have this for lifetime. You can create budgets and all that stuff, manage all your stuff here. So you create budget, right? So you can, let's say you first time using it, right? Let's create a budget. Specify any date you want to start doing. Boom, boom. Let's say September 1st to 9:30. Yep. Next. Now here, you're gonna put your wages. All right. You're gonna put your wages. Let's say, I don't know. Let's say a couple. Let's say a couple, right? We have a couple here. So let's say one makes $3,000 a month. Oh, wait. That's the description. Wrong. Let's say couple. Let's say person one. Amount. So let's say they make 3,000. 3,000 a month. All right. Add another one. Say couple number two. So couple number two. Person number two makes, I don't know. Let's say they work part time or something. I don't know. 1,500 a month. So between these two couples, they make $4,500 a month, right? So now here you add your wages. You already added your income, right? Now here you're gonna add your expenses. You're gonna add your rent. I don't know. Let's say 900. Let's say you pay 900 a month. Daily living, you could calculate that down to the T. Daily living, like not down to the T. I always do like an average. So you could do an average. I don't know. What's the average daily living? I don't even know. Let's put $100, $150. Not even. Let's put $100. This is toilet paper. That's toilet paper, paper towels, toothpaste, soap, all that stuff. All right. So let's say that's what you spend a month, right? Transportation. Let's say that's your gas. So let's say you spend $200 a month. Y'all work very close from home. But sheesh, that's a little expensive. Entertainment. Let's say you make a budget. Guys, it's important to make a budget, right? So let's say you're gonna follow this budget down to the T for until you get out of debt or to save some type of money, right? So let's say for entertainment, let's say a couple with one kid. I don't know. Let's say for entertainment, y'all willing to spend a month between 100. Let's put 200. Yeah, that's out there, but let's let's put 200. Y'all have a kid, so y'all want to do stuff with your kids 1 week and stuff like that. So let's put a budget limit of 200 a month, right? All right. Healthcare, that's covered by your job supposedly. Subscriptions, let's say let's say you have $15 worth of subscriptions. Finance savings, let's say you save an extra $100 a month. right, this is other payments, and you can even add your own category too. Boom, 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 boom. Where do I do that? I forgot, but this is creating it right now. So you put done, right? And basically your budget is created. Right here, you see you can add categories, you can add more income, or you can add more expenses. And you can even you can set reminders on this app too. Let me see, nope, not labeled yet, so you could create, nope, all right, you can move all this stuff right here. See, once let's say you spend $50 already of your entertainment, you just go add subscription. Let's say you went I don't know, went out for lunch or went out for dinner one night. Y'all spend, I don't know, $50 on dinner. You know what? Let's say let's make it a little bit more accurate. Let's say you spend $70 on dinner. Yeah. You can put in the date, the time, all this other information. All you do is press save. Automatically, it tells you your budget. You already spent 70. You have a remaining of $130. This is a little blur. So sorry about that, fellas. But see, it automatically starts calculating everything. It's budget spent, all that stuff. Also, too, up here I forgot to show you. Remember, we have 45. That couple makes $4,500 a month. It will tell you how much total budget for the month. Provision balance. That's how much you have left. That's how much you have left from the budget. Remember that all of this that you added adds up to $1,500, which is not much. That's 1,000, 1,400. Yep. Okay. 15. Yep. So see, that month you still got this much left of your budget. So that's why I said here you can add everything down to the T. What you pay, like you can pay you can pay your credit card payments, all that stuff, and automatically here. Once you put in, how much you spend, automatically, boom, it calculates it. Already spend 70, remaining to spend. That's how much money you're remaining to spend. All right. Let's say we want to add category. Let's say emergency. Okay, emergency. Right? Emergency saving. So let's say monthly for this emergency saving, you want to put for this emergency saving. Since let's say you don't have an emergency savings, you want to build it really quick. Let's say, I don't know, since you have so much extra, let's say you want to do 500 a month until you get a nice lump sum of at least 6 months worth of your expenses, 6 months to a year worth of your expenses. So boom, you press save. So see, automatically now your total budget is to $2,1500 a month. So you still got an extra $2,000 left, So once you put all that information, this is just an example, fellas. Once you can put all the information, and right here you will see your emergency savings. So you can add how much you put in, boom, boom, saving. I'm just gonna put an S. Save. How much you put? Let's say that week you put 150. Boom, boom, save. See, automatically it calculates it. So again, you put all your detail in. Follow this budget by the T, fellas, and I promise you will not regret it. So you gotta sit down one day, and sit down with your partner or sit down by yourself if you're by yourself and make your budget and follow it down to the T, fellas. If you want to either save, you want to, you don't know where your money is going, like that, because that was happening to me a lot. I didn't know where my money is going. I'm like, where is my money going? So I wrote down everything you possibly pay a month. Just write it down in the budget. Everything. If you have anything extra, what I do is you add a category. You put extra. Let's say something doesn't pick up, so you put extra, and you put budget. I don't know, something extra. Let's say $1,000. I don't know. Since you have so much left, you cannot remember about anything else. Just put extra. Like that, you already have that folder created. And once you spend extra money on something you didn't, forgot to put in, you already could just write it down right here. Or even just you could put in the amount of whatever you got extra here, write it down here. So like that, you cannot go over that amount, no matter what. So you put in your savings, you put totally everything down. And I promise you, fellas, you will love this. Because a budget, you gotta live by the budget. That's it. That's all I got. If you find this video helpful, you like this video, hit like, subscribe, share, pass it down to other people. Hopefully it helps somebody down the line. And remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell, fellas. Santana is out. Also, fellas, don't forget, we got new merch coming up. If you want to help support the channel, I made my first shirt, Road to Financial Freedom. We're gonna get there. If you want to hop on the train of Road to Financial Freedom, I'm gonna leave the link down below. Go check out. We got shirts, we got men's shirts, we got hoodies, we got woman leggings, woman shirt. We even got pet hoodies. We even got kids hoodies. We got kids shirt. We got mug. We got it all. We got even face masks, fellas. This is first design of many more to come, fellas. So thank you again. Hit like, subscribe, share it, comment. Thank you, fellas. Appreciate it. Santana is out.